uthi understand
Yeah.
ukuthi awufinyeleli.
Yeah, ukuthi
But-
mama yena create ubani.
Yini?
Kumele ngizibuze futhi ukuthi lo God wena ucreate.
Fanele
Yabona
ubuze,
nana ngeke
mama. Fanele
ukuthi
ubuze.
God wena ucreate ubani. Iyafana lento le.
Don't assume that I have a God. So I assume ukuthi sonke sinabo.
Angisho wena uthe upastor.
Azange
Awuzange uthi upastor. Oh pastor who? All right. Manje besisaqhubeka ukuthi wena ufuna ukwazi ukuthi create kanjani.
Nabo pastor ngiyabona.
Uzalahleke manje.
Yeah.
Yeah, ukuthi umlungu buyapi
Yeah,
creation
as
ezeka
a champion
kanjani.
kumlungu says, asiqale la ku source,
Yeah.
ne? Mina ngisu pastor. I'm very interested.
Yeah.
Ukuthi when someone creates something,
Yeah.
kuba ne factory mhlambe se Jimiston, yena mhlambe bathi ubuye ePitori. Once you hit the wall, uthi mina I don't have that information. You understand? Then information yakho ayiphelelanga.
Okay, so ngeke kanjani. Asiqhubeke.
So right. Why should we entertain information engaphelelanga?
Wena babela le information enayo up to where mina.
Angifuni ukulalela from I want to know where it comes from.
Sisiya creation nabelungu sisidivetile futhi bayisiwa phambili.
It's fine. No, sizolungisa.
Ake sisaya phambili.
So
Wena ubuza ukuthi umama yena ubuyapi the creator.
yes.
So mina ngeke ngize ngibuze ukuthi uGod ubuyaphi angeke uzubazi uGod
No, no.
wakho lo observayo ukuthi ubuyaphi.
Ungangibuza. It's your choice ukuthi ungangibuza. No, it's your choice ukuthi ungangibuza.
Yeah.
That does not does not necessarily mean I shouldn't ask you. You can ask me.
Yeah.
But if it's your choice ukuthi wena ufuna ukungibuza, it's okay.
Okay, mina umama akumazi ukuthi as a creator ucreate ubani angazi ukuthi the other creator yama animals nayo icreate kanjani. But the universe mina into engiyaziyo ukuthi the universe is about positive and negative, and the positive is the kingdom of light, the negative is the kingdom of darkness.
Right.
The creator ilwane, the creator yabantu.
Okay, no, it's fine.
Abantu lelwane abahlangana.
It's fine, you don't know. Now, I want to ask you this. This whole information, as it comes and say you connect with your brain, your mind, what role does it play in this whole thing?
My mind. My mind here to read and receive the information.
You said you don't read.
Nangithi mind yaread ngizokwenza kanjani?
So how are you going to...
My mind is the one that is receiving the information,
And
the
then-
brain, the source.
No. The
Yeah.
mind and the brain, are they the same?
Hayi angazi lapho ke ngoba ile English yakhe nami yangishaya, but i-mind ne-brain azisebenzisana.
Yasebenzisana, but the question is, are they the same now?
The same.
Hayi angazi lapho. But i-source it's a brain.
The source is the brain.
Yeah. Nawuphuza utshwala.
What do you mean source?
Nawukhona uconnecta nomama.
I-brain is source yani?
Lento i-receive ilento message from my spiritual guide.
Okay.
Okay. So, without memory,
Yeah.
ne? I want to find out what it, now you're storing through a hard drive called memory, this information.
Yeah, you think I have to write my trouble with it.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, there's
Yeah.
memory.
Yeah.
There's a function called memory,
Yeah.
which stores this information
Yeah.
to you,
Yeah.
right? You see something like Linda, in our memory,
Yeah.
we've stored a lot of things. Some of them is nonsense. Some of them are true. You can ask anyone.
Oh.
But it comes. Some of it is nonsense. It doesn't
Mina
make sense.
ngithola information in this story.
No, everywhere.
Hayi mina ngisho neka mama.
Mama thina atsho sizwa ngawo.
Yeah, izoba nonsense
No,
ngoba
I'm-
nina ndi physical,
No,
mina
no,
not
I'm
physical,
trying
I'm
to-
spiritual people.
Let me tell you where I'm
So
going with
like
this.
on earth very there's
Let
a
me
lot
tell
of
you where I'm going with
nonsense.
this. Give me a chance. Anything that you store in your memory, some of it is true. Some of it, actually most of it, is nonsense.
Yeah, it's up to you ukuthi wena uyibona kanjani ukuthi.
No, it's not about up to. It's life injalo.
It's like that.
Yeah, nami ngiyazi ukuthi lento leyo ukuthi lento uNkulunkulu wa creator mina is nonsense, it's part of that.
And
but
you've
it's
stored
not
it
real.
in your memory.
Yeah, kusala ikhona.
Okusala it's within your...
Yeah.
Noma ungadla ukudla la sayo kunye kuyaphuma because akusiko konke okudlayo ku healthy.
Bese creation usochampile yazi
No, ngifuna how you
nabenduku kubalekile.
Yeah, no, sibalekile la.
Why kubalekile la?
It's because we are comfortable lapha.
Utshela ukuthi qala kanjani?
No.
Uthi umlungu zenjani?
Remember, when you are a guest, I ask questions. I don't
No jump, you ask questions depend
Right,
on.
no, let's-
Let's the question le bese uyabaleka nasemphendula.
you are a guest.
Okay.
You are a guest when.
All right.
Noma singajumpa you understand? You don't define how we should ask.
Yeah.
But where I'm going is that I want to entertain them by memory.
Yeah.
And then we agree with what we memorize.
Yeah.
That's why it comes out we are bad.
Yeah.
Because he's memorized nonsense.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then you find someone says, this information is lunatic. What I've memorized is lunatic.
Yeah.
I don't understand what things I'm doing. Yes, I have this information as much as it is, but it's not factual. It's for lunatics. A person tells you that.
Yeah, I'm not sure who God will do something. Anything better, it's about the mood. So that's why
It's
I
fine.
was
Now let me show you. But don't pay.
now when it's something we are a lunatic.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Then someone comes and say, no, but this whole information, it comes to me while I'm sleeping at night, and I wake up in the golden hours of the morning, and then I start getting this information, and then I store it in my memory.
Yeah.
But this information, it's lunatic.
We are the opinion.
No, that's what the person tells you.
Yeah.
Is this my opinion?
So opinion alokuthi lo ngitshela lo.
No. For me, what you are saying
Yeah.
is lunatic. It's not my opinion.
Okay.
That's what you told me.
Or with the information is lunatic.
Yeah,
Because the source is the moon.
No, I don't care about the source. You said to me this information.
Yeah, from the planet Luna.
Because mara izinto ezilunatic belizithatha njengezinto ezimbi, izinto ekuthiwa amademon associated nomama, izinto ezimbi ngoba vele akake amkhulume kahle because he rival yakhe.
No, it's fine. The point I'm going to make, Uguti, how do we know after all the nonsense that we store in our memory? Remember, everybody's got the right to think whatever nonsense and whatever that he wants to think about.
Yeah.
Well, you see, we've been given that freedom. But now, you must go a step further than that to say, how do we know?
Authenticate.
To say, how do we, this is true.
That's why it's come on, I'm a witness.
Yeah. So there's a way of authentication to separate. No, this is true, this is not true.
Whether it's scientific test and
Yes.
proof, whether
Now,
it's
that's
through
where I'm going.
witnesses.
My question is, how do you know, Uguti, what you are saying is authentic? Besides relying on what you've memorized, we memorized all sorts of things. So how do you authenticate what this is true?
Angisho ngiyabona vele ukuthi the way izinto zingakhona, it's all about the slavery sabantu abamnyama. So lezi zinto abantshela zona it's true, and then ukuthi umuntu o-enslave abantu abamnyama is the God himself usebenzisa abantwana bakhe, the whites, ukuthi badominate over blacks, asebenzisa ama-witch wakhe aboshebe nabo khanya ukuthi they steal ilento itas zabantu abamnyama and then they give it to whites. Ama-whites are ama-animals. So every time a black child is born, uthathwa leso star ukuthi i-white ikhona ukuze i-function as a human being on earth.
But the question is, how do you authenticate what this is true?
Yeah, because mabangithatha bangisesibhedlela samahlanya sama-lunatic bayangu-evaluate ba-evaluate lokho ba-check-a ukuthi ngikhuluma izinto ezingana-substance, ngikhuluma izinto that cannot be proven, ngikhuluma izinto nobody can back them up. It's me alone who's speaking those things, then bese bangi-admita because bathi brain yami everywhere. Yeah, even to authenticate.
Memorized it.
To authenticate now, mama herself.
No, how do you authenticate? Says who am I? What's I'm far, No, no. I was there or whatever. How do you authenticate?
Okay.
ngicela ukukunceda before uphendule angisho mina in the kingdom lo wethu wena ye darkness yaka Christ besides the brain we have the spirit njoba na ushile kanti we are spiritual beings sikuphi spirit sakho kuyo yonke lento to authenticate or do you only rely or on the telepathy lo ishoyo and ayinabufakazi
Okay. Yazi kulento umama akavumi ukuthi ukhulume ngezinto ongazazi ne. So when I talk about kulento ukuthi this God is a dog. I was taken spiritually to heaven in paradise to meet this dog. Now when I talk about hell, I was taken spiritually to hell.
Okay, give us the dates when.
It was around 2023.
Okay. Now so interrogator lelo langa and the process of how it happened.
Yeah.
And then bakutshela ukuthi namhla we are going to paradise. And then finally enough you are paradise now usitshela ukuthi wabonana.
and uhambe njani SAA or Emirates
Yes, and how did you get there? And then that's why what transport and then a change and then you went to hell. It's very interesting. Give us the date.
I think
Okay, month.
But I know.
Okay, yeah.
2023
Okay, let's say the October. Take us through what happened on that day. And then where did you go first? Heaven or hell?
Heaven.
Heaven. Take us through the journey.
Okay, yabona ile ishindaba kuzofanele ngiqalele kahle ukuze ni understand ukuthi ngize ngifike lapha kwenza la. Wena uyi prophet ne. Ukuze ama prophet ama antichrist prophet angabi khona. Usually in your 40s aboshembe benza sure ukuthi they take you and then they initiate you into the kingdom of darkness. Ababulali they want you to work for them and then bakwenza a millionaire or a billionaire. Yabona. And then once babamba the prophet, the king, because a prophet is a prophet to the king. The king
You are deviating from the topic. From the question. We are not interested in that. Now thinking
The question mkhululi ithi sithathe usifake ikhathi lobizo lwakho
not the bees or the thing.
the journey
The chain.
Okay.
Waphuma ulife wamisi taxi taxi wahlangana nengelosi
Or bowulele.
through
Okay.
that ushabu
Okay,
ungasafakizwile those are the forces of darkness.
Yeah.
We are fine, they're evil.
Yeah.
And the whites, they are witches, we've heard that.
Yeah.
Take us through the journey to heaven. It started Skatbani.
Okay, they learn. Okay.
Right.
So in that vision, there was this ukoko. This koko was holding me, like a number being a sad.
So it was a dream, ne?
Yeah.
You call it a vision, you were dreaming.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So lokoko lo wayemba being a sad so into engangi notice ngalo lokoko was hiding the face. It was always like that. So nasihamba lapha nasisifika lapha kule sliding door.
Where?
ezulwini
Ngisho i-paradise lapha.
Yeah.
Yeah, paradise is like the White House. It's white.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So lapha there's a sliding door. So ugogo wangishiya lapha le door down kunama stairs lapha aya ku throne yakhe lapha hlala khona yabona. So ugogo wafika lapha waya lapha kule door. Ngiyabezwa noma ngihleli lapha but ngiyabezwa lapha ngoba ivoice yakhe ine echo nyana so nabakhuluma kune echo. So ugogo wathi kulomkhulu lo he appeared as umkhulu. Wathi ugogo hayi baba nayi
That's
ugogo
okay. In what form?
ngagcoka umkhulu
ugogo bewagcoke ilento beka white and gold hey wena yeah bagcoke nalapha kunje la paradise yeah ugogo bekagcoke kanjani yabona ya into ezi white and gold
Iroko.
hey ufana nalezi zinto lezi yabona inzima izinto
But he was in a human form.
if asangibona face ngabona lezi ambatho zakhe but
Yeah, you should have
yeah in a human form
amabele neroko.
ifranta zakhe ibona
Wabona okay amarafo ke.
Manje so abaniki bheka amarafo njani ephupheni manabo serious mara hey lokho kungube enkulu ngisho le
Oh,
mhlophe
okay.
yeah so nafika
So
lapha
kupakilo rakapakanga you don't know, ne?
But into notice lapha nasapha ukuthi she was hiding her face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
So nafika lapha wathi baba nangu ndodana la hayi thina sesizamile emhlabeni isihlulile manje nasengimlethela kuwe ukuthi wena akukhulume naye yabona.
So ubaba yena, did you see the face?
Yeah,
He was a man.
yeah bekafana nami vele afana nobaba but he was an old man great yabona anefana.
Yeah.
So naqala ukukhuluma lapho there was an echo. So wathi kimi hayi ndodana sikubizelela ngoba manje ngithi ngokutshela ukuthi lezi zinto ezenzeka kuwe especially emsebenzini zenziwa yithi ngoba manje asisafuni ukuthi wena usebenze yabona. Wena bekumele usebenze yabona. So manje njengoba emsebenzini bakuhlupha kangaka bafuna ukuqosha yithi kahle kahle yabona. Ngoba manje sifuna ukuthi uyeke umsebenzi bese sikunika umnotho wakho yabona. So umkhulu washo ke wathi njengoba ubuya kule hearing le wayiwina.
So vele bobuya hearing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngoba ubuya kule hearing le wayiwina. Labantu basazokubiza futhi kwenye hearing ngoba labantu vele bazokuqosha ngoba nathi sifuna ukuthi bakuqoshe vele yabona.
Yeah.
So nase iza le another hearing wena ungayi. Wena nongayanga hearing bazokuqosha labantu. And then therefore nase baqeda ukuqosha wena ungawayi. Yilapho ke thina sizokunika izinamba zelotho and then wena uzokunika kanjalo umcebo wakho. And la uqeda ukuthola le mali ibusiness yakho is trucking. Wena uthenge just ama trucking and then lawo ma trucking kube ma Volvo kuphela. But mina concentration yami bengekho lapho. Concentration yami kwakule ijazi yena ligqokile ngoba ngibonile lapho everything is gold and white. Yena bekagqoke ijazi eli white and green. Ngathi mina mkhulu ngiyakuzwa.
Did umkhulu nogogo fulfill the promise? Unamahlapho eVolvo.
Ufuna siqede soza lapho. Phazamisa. So mina ngathi ayemkhulu ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uyakhuluma but athi ungubuze. Ngathi mina why ugcoke ijazi lami? And then umkhulu wakwata. And then ekwateni wakhe umkhulu wachange umkhulu manje ngabona iface. Useledog. Waba idog yabona.
So lo nkulunkulu.
So yaphela lapho idream yabona. So mina ngaba curious ngathi kahle bekwenzakalani. So because bese sekunaba problems lapho. Ngathi athi ngiye lo ukuthi ngiyena ba problems buye na consult. Uye
Bani lo?
le inyanga.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So ngathi
Ugobela wakho.
ukubela kwami siyahlola nje. Laba abahlola ngamaphathi bababiza
Yeah, okay.
laba
No, you
bashaya
went to
ngo-
someone. Yeah.
So ngathi hey ndoda bekibe le dream nje manje le dream lela azange sisakhona manje uqeda sinomkhulu la ngoba umkhulu ngithena ngibuza ngejazi
Wakwani.
wakho yabona. So yena wahlola ke and then wakutshela wathi hayi man indaba ukuthi umkhulu ukwatiswe yini akafuna umkhulu la akakhuluma nawe wena interrupt talk back yabona. So that's why uyawakwata umkhulu wajika but athi umkhulu wena yenza lento le oyenzayo ukuthi nabakubiza le kungayi yabona. So izinto zakho zizona wakutshela kanjalo.
One episode.
So that was your experience in paradise.
Yeah.
Then so uvukile uyenyangeni inyanga itshela ukuthi no yenza lento ayishoyo. Why yenza lento ayishoyo?
Yenzeka after.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So now uthi wenzeka after bakuxoshe emsebenzini.
Yazi kwenzakalani vele kwaba the case after futhi bayivuza ama case wabayabhila bayawabhila vele yabona. So nale
No ngifuna I'm interested
Yeah.
for isikhathi.
Oh.
Bakuxoshe uzange bakuxoshe.
azange bakuxosha but benza mistake.
Yeah, no, bakuxoshe. It's fine.
Yeah.
Two, mkhulu what was ukuxosha the prophecy was fulfilled.
Yeah.
Bakuxosha. Secondly, mkhulu wakupromises numbers elot wakunika.
Azange senzeka ngoba ngabuyela emsebenzini.
No, asho bakuxoshile.
Yeah, ukuxosha kwabo nga-appeal.
U-
Azange ye-KC.
So uzange
Bakuxosha ukuthi vele azange ye-KC.
right.
Yeah.
So umkhulu
So,
izinamba zelot wakunika.
Hayi.
Zange akunika.
Yeah.
Unreliable ne?
Yeah.
Thirdly,
Kunjalo.
unamanga ne?
Yeah.
Ama-truck weVolvo abanawo.
Ngoba phela ngiyasasebenza uthi mkhulu uzothola lezi zinto wasingaye umsebenzi.
Oh, so wena umlalela ngumkhulu.
Azange ngisamlalela manje yabo.
Okay.
Ngoba kagcina ngibuyelile emsebenzini ngoba.
Right.
Yeah.
So marufuna thina silalele lama message kamkhulu. Marona umlalelanga.
So ngase ngiyaphela ithi ngizawubuya ngizakutshela ukuthi
Then how sure are you ukuthi lo mkhulu nalogogo What if this was just a dream? We dream so many things.
Spiritual, when I say spiritual,
So yeah, mhlambo, the question is, are you continuously hearing them, or wawenza once off?
abuya from darkness namadream abuya ku-light yabona la ispace ama-dream is open
So usaphupha namanje.
ngisaphupha
Mina I'll be worried.
But aphupha ama-revelation akwaphupha yabona yeah ama-revelation eza the way eza ngakhona
But let's start success a paradise.
yeah.
This paradise that you went to. Ne? The information you got there and the promises that in the covenant it's unreliable because it didn't happen.
Yeah, it didn't happen because
You're not worried about that.
Because that person was this God.
Yeah, I'm sure God
No, actually pray
Look.
Ma thina basiphendulile sithini ke thina siphenduliwe. Thina siphenduliwe.
No, it doesn't make sense.
Thina siphenduliwe ke. Mina ngifuna ukwazi ngoba mina ngiphenduliwe.
I imagine a situation where someone comes, he takes his time. Ne? Umama ruba ugogo uyezomlanda uhamba nami. Zange sakubuza ngetransport, namba ngani?
The dream lapha uhamba plus lapha ngisho ayilento. Now hamba lapha izinto ze-spiritual.
Yeah, what tell me the
Even though uhamba
spiritual
you are floating.
transport.
Teleportation maybe.
We are floating.
Benamba nezinyawo ngisho how
Yeah.
did you go up or sideways or down? Namba nabhekisa
Ilento that place yafana nale earth. Now uhamba but into ongayiboni i-ground. Now
Okay, so
uhamba
benamba-
straight.
Yeah, benambe moyeni
Yeah.
so.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
But into lapha ilento yangamangaza le ukuthi i-ground awuyiboni but lapha akhona bekunama-stairs.
okay, yeah. No, it's fine. So you were floating,
Yeah.
then you got to this building, then
Yinhle.
yeah, yinhle kunama sliding door.
Uthela
Then you
stick up.
uzwa ama-echo, you ascend the stairs, then uthola umkhulu yakutshela ukuthi uzoxoshwa emsebenzini because une case already and we are hearing.
Hayi bengiwinile bekuceda ukuwina enye.
Yeah, no, but there was
So
a
wathi
case.
kuzoba nenye.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Yeah.
There's something wrong. Why unama case angaka yabona emsebenzini?
Ngiyazi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then there was a promise that was made there.
Yeah.
Ukuthi-
Azange fulfill le
By
promise.
who?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ngaba zange fulfill.
Ubani ongayifulfillanga?
Ngaba zange fulfill iwish kabukhulu ukuthi kungasasebenzi.
Uzoyifulfilla njani ngoba niceda ngokwatile ubheka le?
Akusho singaye ko check bathi hayi wena kwenze.
No, he could be lying, this guy.
Mina kokunye sengilost kanti umkhulu ubuyaphi ngoba sigcina sikhuluma ngomama nogogo.
Umkhulu yilo unento. Okay, asiyeli ke kuhell ke ukuthi kuhell.
Okay, take us through the
same
journey.
vision, but kuhell I was alone, yabo. So nakufika in that place.
What do you mean you are alone? The time you are in
Ngisho lapha ngibanje ugogo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hell, but I was alone. So I found myself in a place like it's a prison, like what? So in that place, mostly they are men there. There are fewer women. I've never done that. Yeah, and then it's only black people. Yeah, what? So I was moving around, mode like about. So these people they were talking about, but yazi solar. Which why sila ngabe sesibuyele emuva yabo because icomplaint yabo yathi la siyasebenza asiphumule yabo but umzimba wethu uzujwayele ihard work but the main thing is that asiphumule yabo
So in hell there's only black people.
only black people.
Oh, I tough land.
Now, no. I just realized that your God is unreliable. I can't serve him.
Yeah, our God, you know,
Yeah,
worshiper is
no.
totally unreliable.
He's a
So
lunatic.
manje mina ngasemthola la manje njengoba semconnect ugogo manje remind ukuthi you see that place you went to that place is actually heaven. So lo God lapha hlala khona is that place there is paradise. So that person when we're meeting is this God. Abantwana baba
Lo
worship
kwatayo,
like the
what-
creator of animals. Yabona. So athi wena njengoba bekakuletha lapha wena njengeprophet bekafuna ukwenza njengabanye amaprofeti ngoba laba bakhe bahluleka ngisho mina bathi bawugeza kanti bafuna ukuyomthwalisa manje bonke abaprofeti laba beba before me babathwalisa baba ama-millionaires so ngize mina
Njengobani so?
ubani
The prophet of Amthwalisa was millionaire.
lo mina engimreplaceayo as a prophet bathi manje use-Eastern Cape umkhulu utata ukugcina abantu unama-business yabona.
But kusho kubani?
Kusho ugogo, I even have ifoto yakhe ngoba in 2015 ngamitha emall nomntanakhe eSprings.
But why-
Wabuza lo mntana ukuthi ngawabani, ngathi mina ngukugcina, wathi hey uyafana nabantu basekhaya. Yabona sa exchange amanamba agcina ukukhombisa ubabakhe nami ngakukhombisa ubaba kuthola ukuthi labantu bayafana. So sa exchange lawo niyali sasho
But how come you
so
know-
uthi umama le photo le uye lo muntu lo
No, it's
omreplaceayo.
fine.
And then-
I-physical leyo
Yeah, physical.
yasemall.
Yeah, physical.
Okay, and then now, let me ask you, how come when honor my business?
Ukuthi I didn't accept the offer.
Akusukuthi ubuze ngegameni bakukwatela.
Yazi offer yakhe yini? Offer yabo yini? Ilento le ukuthi bakuthwalise ube wena millionaire. Wazi uleto you reach 50, universe will recognize you as the prophet but in the kingdom of darkness.
So when-
and then black people they were going to spend another 50 years as slaves.
Okay. So abomgcina, the oppressing black people by accepting the offer.
But
Abomgcina.
abogcina
Yeah.
they are the kings of all black people on earth. Yibo laba bathathelwa istar ushebe bese akathi lathwalisa amakhosi ababiza aba-kings njenge inkosi yase-KZN isithwalo, inkosi yase-Swatini isithwalo, wonke amakhosi ababathwalisile la isithwalo, ile star basitotshile, basitotsha kanjalo le star leso
Yini ukuthwala?
ukuthwala ku-initiator for riches
In the kingdom of light.
of darkness.
So when we are in the kingdom of
Kanti
light,
i-darkness yiphi? Angisho i-darkness ile yethu.
Yena uzibiza angisho nama
Mina I give up.
God.
I thought i-darkness yethu light yenu. So yibo ngibuza ukuthi which thwalwa kuyiphi?
Yena is parading as the kingdom of light unamanga.
Ubani?
man,
God and the devil. Yeah, God is the creator of everything.
So now uthwala kuye in the kingdom of darkness.
Labantu bakhe lama agent bakhe abashebe.
Mara in the kingdom of darkness.
Yeah. Wathi wathwala wena as a prophet of this time. Abantu ake baze balithole.
Phela i-darkness ile yenu angisho.
Light.
So
Our
when-
mother is the light,
Yeah,
and the
no,
moon
no.
is the
Yeah.
light, the sun is the light, the star is the light. Lo wena liphi light yakhe ukusifihlile le andibone ukubona darkness.
No,
That's why ngeke
Nawe uthi awumboni musa ukufihle nobuso.
So when-
usifihlile le nje le ilinde nje ukuthi izonile.
Lalela.
Hayi,
When
man.
you rejected the offer in the kingdom of light, angisho.
Good darkness. It make doors a kingdom of light. If
No, I'm not. No, mina, my question is that you've been promised
I-wealth.
in the kingdom
Of
of
light.
Not in the kingdom of darkness. Sikhuluma ngawe. So I'm asking you as we are sitting here, why you are not rich?
Because it's not reliable.
Azange ngi-offer ngabe mina okay ngaphandle kwalapha kabukhulu kwe-promise yabona mina since bekunenkinga vele emsebenzini yabona so benga-understand ukuthi kahle kahle angifunani nabantu kwenzakalani bekhonsala so angisho sicontrola ile iy'pirit zabo. So yizo
Angicela
lezi
sibe
zinto-
clear masikhuluma ngomsebenzi sikhuluma nge-physical job la emhlabeni ne la usipana khona every day.
Yeah, and then bakudriver lapho bafuna ukuthi baze bayokuthwalisa yabona so mina ngagcina bathi nobitha eyiguy lapha but bengayanga ukhonsatha kuye just sahlangana nje yabona
The offer with decline kuphi kanti wena?
i-offer ngideclarele kumkhulu le
In the kingdom of light.
darkness bengazi
Kula ngiba confused khona nami manje.
lapha
No,
nakufika
no, uthwale ugogo. Wakisa in the kingdom of light. Wahlangana nomkhulu.
mina bese bekithi light lapha kanti nasesithola after it's darkness you know God
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you've never been in the kingdom of light, wena?
the kingdom of light is earth ila earth ngaphansi is kingdom of darkness.
So la ugogo akisa khona, why ugogo akuthwala yisa kumkhulu? Kusho ukuthi ugogo nomkhulu they in the kingdom of darkness.
Bebafuna ukuthi mina as a prophet benze lezi zinto bebazenza kulaba prophet before ukuthi mina nabangithatha abe mina bangithwalisa yithi kutshela ngale ukuthwalisa ukuthi ileni lapho baqisha khona
Mina
ukuthwalisa.
kuna la
Bese siyaphambili.
Yeah, siphambili because we are contradict. Ugogo nomkhulu,
Yes.
right? They exist in the kingdom of light or in the kingdom of darkness.
Of light. According to him.
Mina lithambi ngiya lapha bekithi kingdom of light.
Ah,
Until the revelation after.
So should they reside in the darkness.
They are residing in the darkness.
Le in the darkness.
Yeah.
Le yethu.
Yeah.
Ugogo wakutshela
So what
ukuthi
the-
lokhululo yabe kulonkulunkulu esimsevayo. Esikusho
Mara just before ngoba isikhathi sesiphelile because I think to us focus ekutheni sifuna ukwazi solution ne positivity yayo yonke le revelation onikezwe yona as a prophet ukuthi imsiza ngani umphakathi and abalaleli basalalele kufuna kabenzeni ukuze ukuza kwakho la namhlanje kungabe useless ne how do you help umphakathi mhlawumbe ukhuluma nabo they must do what and do what to make sure that there's an impact ngokuza kwakho la so that their lives could change and I think mostly sikhuluma ngama economics bafuna ukuphila mhlambe ba oppressor ngisho ikingdom of light so of darkness so how do you help them what can you say what's going on
futhi ungaphendule ubhekene
yeah benzeni ukusuka la njengathi abo pastor babaleke kithi beze kuwe or kwenzakaleni bawuhlaba or benzeni
i-message mina to black people yabo on earth ukuthi
bheka icamera
yeah ukuthi ama black people should know ukuthi for more than 2000 years we have been ruled by the kingdom of darkness parading as the kingdom of light. So this God that actually was saving is the God who's the creator of animals. So thina ezingabantu abamnyama we don't have any religion, we don't have any culture. So zonke lezi zinto ezakhe because lo God lona he's all about the blood, about sacrifice. So into yena bekayipromota kakhulu ukuthi abantu bathi bahlabela amadlozi because they must ukuthi banzani bamsacrificele izimvu. So there were those people now bebangahlabi. So labo labantu labo bebangahlabi ukuze bona yena abahlabi. Those people they must actually proclaim themselves as sheep as Jesus Christ. So if wena bongahlabi ukusa Christianity, the Christianity wena ukhuluma ngomlomo wakho that I am a sheep to be sacrificed by this God. So all black people they are being sacrificed by this God because umuntu omnyama doesn't die. Umuntu omnyama uyathathwa nasakafile ayoba islave sa this God. Njengoba asho ku revelation yakhe ukuthi they are going to serve me day and night.
Doesn't die but when he dies he's taken away.
Now ufa wena umuntu omnyama lo muntu is living a familiar spirit, a spirit like you. When because we are spiritually is able to take you to hell. Yabona. So if athi wena uphethe isibhamu yamdubula yabona lo ujujuliwe ukuthi ufile we are in prison in hell whether we are in prison physical prison. So i-attack yakhe mostly is about men. If favorite yakhe it's women. Abafazi bamenzela isilwane esinyawo eziyi2 yena he could actually created animal.
But the problem here, what should the question Nasit address above what should they do to better their lives?
Baphume kule
The slavery.
Okay. Ukuze dina likwazi ukuthi liphile lize reach the age of 90 years. Ukuthi nawuzala.
We don't want age now of 90 years.
Yes, Allah.
We want to be emancipated and be released
from
slavery.
They must stay away from Christianity. They must stay away from the way to Jesus Christ. Once with Jesus Christ uvumile ukuthi sacrifice
they can go to Islam
and Buddhism.
Religion as that into esiyenzayo since they are evil spirits uthi ugogo for 3 times a day in the morning during the day and even at night we command these spirits away from us.
Right, and then how are we going to
command the spirits?
No. Actually, we live in all religions.
Yeah.
So how are we going to sustain morality?
Immorality is now ourselves. After religion, ifundise immorality.
Ourselves ubani abantu abamnyama.
Yeah, abantu abanyama.
So asibulalana siribhana senza.
Empathic thina. Sino empathy sizenza izinto ezirong. Izinto ezenzisabantu abanyama wrong. Ile gazi lile lasingena in the Garden of Eden whereby a black woman slept with a dog and then they produce a child which is an animal in 2 feet long and other races.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
So we stay away from religion, right? Because we are empathic, but we still live with other religious nations. So how are we? How is kuzobanjani cohesion la?
Your religion is a guide. Since in church much, but in church spiritually, so your religion is a guide.
No, you're not answering the question.
Izosiphelela.
You're not answering the question.
Yeah.
For social cohesion, izobanjani because as black people,
Yeah.
ne,
Yeah.
we abolishing religion, but we still have other nations that we live around with.
That
Ma-China nama-Japan.
After 2030, all his creation they are moving out of earth. By 20,
You're still not answering the question.
when we be concerned in other races, things are going to take time, but after 2030,
Akekho concern racist usho cohesion.
after 2030, he's been given up to 2030 to move out of earth.
One.
Who got?
Okay, so but until then senzeni.
Just in observant with kwezakalayo.
No, observation but ayisho ngingavuki ngayodla ngapheki ngathini.
Qhubekani nina but niyeke ukuthi nipray.
Also siqhubeke sihlupheka until ngo-2030.
Pray.
Siqhubeka sihlupheka until 2030. Angisho sibuza lokho. Yeah, phela kunama challenges mele sidle, siyagula, kunezimpi.
Abolish religion, ne?
Yeah.
But you are wearing a Star of David, ne? Which is part of the Jewish religion. It's a symbol of a Jewish religion.
And it's multiplied by Christian like nobody's business, more than the Jews.
So why are you wearing the Star of David, which is a symbol of a
Religion.
Jewish culture and a Jewish religion?
Labantu laba kuthe lo God wabo naka take over on earth.
No, I'm talking about you.
Yes. Chats. Labantu laba kuthe naba take over. Lo God wabo take over on earth. These people, they stole everything that is ours, and then they use it for their own success.
Yeah, but now
Yeah,
the
but-
Star of
so
David is now a symbol of a religion. Why don't you just do away with it? Because
So Ngamagamuti is originally theirs,
Yeah,
stolen
no,
by
it's
David.
fine. But it's stolen, but as we speak, it's now representing a Jewish religion.
According to your belief, I should believe.
It's not a belief, it's a fact.
We know, we can see it. It's even in their ne flag labo.
Protection and power. So when we are wearing this stuff, see protected from these evil spirits. You won't die now with Kohan Stalis because they use sight. Once they see the sight, as a child, I was thinking with every one of us. Siyazala ukuthi soshona nini because by the age of 9 begithi 9 10 bese ngithi esengidlala labangani bami ngithi mina ngiyohamba at the age of 86 when yohamba nini so bebakazi so ngabona ukuthi mina ayi lento le ngithatha so lento le ize yavela futhi the time baze bathi bayugeza emfuleni ngithi ngithola inyoka ngabona ukuthi la isithwala asho blockile ngithi ngiyakhuluma la ukuthi bebafuna ukunginitiate kanjani so but ungakule yile episode podcast yami ngishilo lapho ukuthi bathi bayugeza ngisenyongeni ngifika lapho ilapho bakutshela khona ukuthi ama ancestors wabo akagcina sibisana naba ancestors akakhuma that's when actually ngabona inyoka lapho wabona ukuthi isithwala so asekusaba ukuthi hey ngathi ngiyahamba la le nyoka vele iseduze izongibulala so yabuya lento le ukuthi uyazi ukuthi uyohamba nini ungasabi so ngayithola confidence lapho ngathuka le nyoka yahamba and then bahluleka lapho ukudishita.
All right. Hey, balaleli naive indaba ukuthi interesting and it's getting very deep. So I think siyabonga isikhathi osphesona. I hope ama producers wethu will make sure ukuthi siba nenye episode la sizoza khona deeper. But in the next episode I hope ukuthi ube more prepared ukufocus ekutheni lento yakhe ngasi religion whatever you call it, how does it help people, because abantu badlula ezimene eziningi ezinzima ba confused, they think badinga liberation nokukhululeka. So let's focus on saying, because if bekuyimi ngihleli lapho ngi-interview, my focus was going to say be liberated like this, do this and avoid this so that uphile. So I want to encourage you with next time akube solution based.